Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. 17 May 2021. Cyclone hit the Mumbai very badly. All my succulents were in good condition after the cyclone. But
After 2 days, I observed two pots of succulents soil was very wet. That didn't become dry even after 2 days. So I decided to repot those succulents. So when the soil of your succulent pots become too much soggy or wet, you have to repot your succulents to save them from rotting. After seeing the soil, I can make out the soil is very wet. I removed all the pebbles used for dressing. Here I am using spoon as a spade to remove my succulent plants. I am removing my succulent plants very gently without hurting their roots. For repotting, never pull the plant from the top. Always use spade kind of a tool to unsoil the plant. Here observe the root ball of the Echeveria plant. This is the roots of Echeveria plant. And this is the root structure of the sedum plant. This is the sedum blue plant. Here I observed my Echeveria pearl von Nurnberg has started rotting. So I am going to cut the rotted part to save the plant. Always sanitize your cutting tool before taking a cut of before pruning any plant to avoid any kind of infection to your plant. Here I am taking a cut above the rotted part. Here I am plucking these two mature leaves because anyways these two leaves are not going to survive and the plant will concentrate on producing the roots. Now this stem is going into my propagation pot, which is full of pumice. I use pumice to propagate all my stem cuts. I am just placing these leaves on the soil so that they will propagate. I am just giving a try to it. I am not sure these leaves will propagate babies because they are very old leaves. Now this is the next day. I kept this soil for drying. It is still wet. I kept the plants in a shady area. Sunlight should not fall on the roots of these plants. Roots may get damaged if they will get exposed to the sunlight. Now here I am using another soil. You can use the same soil of the pot after drying, but I am just using another soil. This is a pumice. One part of pumice and one part of a compost I am going to add in this soil. This is a compost. Giving a proper mix to the soil. Using a tissue paper to cover the drainage holes. Cleaning the dirt on the leaves by using a paintbrush. Now here the new soil is dry and roots also became dry, so spraying is required. Spraying of water is required. So guys, this is next day after repotting the succulent. Now I am doing the soil check. I am just poking the finger here. Yes, soil is dry. Soil didn't touch my finger, that means the soil is dry. Same this also I'm doing here, I'm doing the soil test using a finger. Soil is dry, that didn't touch my finger. So here the soil mix that I have used, that has worked. So desired soil is achieved. In the morning also it rained, but soil became dry, so desired soil is achieved. Now after studying this case, why only these two pots got affected by rain during the cyclone? Because I have another pots. I use a coco coir basket for potting
for planting my succulents. Coco coir basket that I am using since years, and that has given me very good result. So plants in the coco coir basket, they are safe. And here, and this is also the plastic planter, but this also didn't get affected by the cyclone rain because this is having many holes for the drainage, so there is a good aeration even though it is a plastic, and this is very thin plastic. This is the pot that generally we get from the nursery. This is the nursery pot. So here what affected is the size of the pot and the material that is used for the pot and the thickness of the pot. Now this pot is having only 2 drainage holes, so these 2 drainage holes are not enough to handle the heavy rains. So this is what the conclusion I have concluded after studying this case. Now here take a look at my tomentosa plant. After the cyclone, immediately I showed you the status of my succulents, and in that video I showed this tomentosa got opened up. The leaves started spreading as there was no sunlight. But now it has started getting its shape back. So in this note, Dipali is signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.